Hey everybody, this is Nathan with my son Caleb here at the Gold Cove, 25555 Gratiot in Roseville. Jumping on real quick, hopefully in between customers. If somebody comes in, we'll just keep going. Be a little bit of distraction, but it is what it is. The tides, I'm gonna say, have definitely turned. They have definitely turned. I have now been kind of concerned about, oh my gosh, I'm buying all this stuff. Who's gonna buy it from me? Got to lower the premiums. We got to get it gone to. Now it's in my head that I need to replace a lot of the stuff that I've been selling. So there's people that are flooding in. We had 4 or 5 people in here today, all doing kind of large transactions at the exact same time. And then other folks, fortunately yesterday we were lucky enough to buy a few silver monster boxes to level off all the money that we're bringing in from selling. But the tides have definitely changed. The higher it goes, the more people seem inclined to come in and start buying. Caleb, what do you got?
Pops, do you know the all-time highs of this week?
I really don't know the all-time highs. I think gold was in like the 43.50 range, maybe
43.81 to be exact.
43.81, and silver, I was hoping it would hold over 50 on the week, and it went up to 54 and change.
54.50.
54.50. Those are incredible numbers, and I can see there's a strong decline today. I don't know if silver's like having a hard time wanting to hold that 50 over the weekend. It was down a couple bucks. And so, yeah, that's crazy times, fun times.
Right. What is your thoughts on the COMEX and refineries right now?
COMEX and the refineries. I'll tell you what, it's just logistics. It's straight logistics. There's huge demand for silver right now worldwide. And the refineries just can't keep up with it. The COMEX thing, I don't know what to make of that. I'm just not smart enough. Not smart enough to know what's going on with COMEX. We've pretty much discounted that whole thing altogether. When it comes to 999 bullion, we are still very mindful of the 90%, as there's super little demand for that in my store. But the refinery's not taking in silver, straight logistics, because they have nowhere to go with it quick enough to turn it into 1,000-ounce bars, which are in high demand around the world.
And did you see it took a breather today, the spot prices?
Yeah, I mean, we've been waiting. It's like, it's got to go down. It can't go up $100 a day or $50 a day on gold or $1 a day on silver. And so this is overdue. It does kind of, people can quickly lose confidence or get anxious. I think, because you're like, it's invincible. It's going up day after day after day. And we see a pullback and they're like, oh, maybe I'll wait a minute. So it does cause some people pause, but yeah, I think it's overdue. It's normal. It's healthy. It's natural.
Yeah, I think it took a 4% breather today on both metals.
I'm not sure. It's really hard for me to stay on top of the analytics throughout the day. I just kind of look at the prices because we can be kind of busy.
Oh yeah,
and so I did see like platinum was down 4 or 5%. Silver was down
4%.
4%. Yeah,
same as gold.
No, I don't think gold was 4% on gold. Is huge.
2 to 3% it was.
Yeah, even that would be a lot.
Because it went down $100.
Yeah, $100. So that's
2%.
Almost. Yeah, I guess you're right. That's a lot.
Yeah, right.
That's a lot. That's something that's necessary because it's been going up too astronomically quick.
Do you expect the rate cut by the end of the
rate
October?
Cut? That's another thing that might be out of my view, but I couldn't. I know they're calling for it. I know they're probably even projecting a rate cut.
I think some markets are even putting it into play a little bit.
I don't see the logic. I mean, our inflation is still up. Maybe if it's to combat unemployment, I don't know. I think they're just pushing hard for it. There may probably be a rate cut. I don't think it's necessary. I don't even think it's helpful. I guess it's a good thing I'm not a decision maker because I would call it out.
Yeah. And did you see central banks have been buying at record amounts? I know we have been hearing that in that headline. You see it all the time, but it's actually true right now. It's what's happening.
Yeah, that's just, to me, in my little pool that I swim in, it's a straight up trade out of treasuries, out of the U.S. dollar, out of government, different government instruments and securities, going into the gold, going into the silver. They're really making the market, and then the public's now jumping on, following on board with that.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, times are fun.
Right.
It's crazy. If you got metal, thank God. I mean, what a great time. There's been some misery in buying and holding metal, but right now things are happening and it's exciting. I don't know. Is it still a good time to buy, Caleb? What do you think?
Most definitely.
Most definitely.
Your fiat money is always losing, but your precious metals are always gaining.
I mean, a lot of people think the same way because they are ditching their extra dollars for precious metals. And now it's got me in the mood where I got a lot of extra dollars I need to ditch to get back into silver or gold. Or even if I could see other investments out there, it's hard to see it right now. It's hard to see it. So gold and silver is where it's at for me and most common working day, layman, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anything else?
No, I think that's it.
That's it. Sorry,
job.
guys. We're going to jump off and get back to work. Kept Caleb past his lunch, and
I got to eat.
He's got to eat. This kid, he's as good as he looks, he's got to keep eating, right? He's keep that up. So, guys, we appreciate you paying attention, coming on here. Leave some comments. Tell us what you're seeing, what you're feeling, and have a great weekend.